What is the difference between ship grounding and stranding? Imagine a ship moving through the water, sometimes touching the bottom or getting stuck in a tricky spot. That's where grounding and stranding come into play. Both are types of accidents that happen when ships run into trouble near the coast or in shallow waters. But they are quite different in how they happen and what they mean for the vessel. Ship grounding happens when a ship unintentionally or intentionally makes contact with the seabed, riverbed, or shoreline. It can be a quick bump or a gentle scrape. Sometimes ships run aground because of navigational mistakes, bad weather, or poor charts. Other times, ships are intentionally beached to prevent sinking or for repairs. Grounding doesn't always mean the ship is stuck for long. It might be able to refloat itself with the right maneuvers or assistance. Stranding is a more serious situation. It occurs when a ship not only hits the bottom but also gets stuck or remains stuck for a long time. This usually happens by accident and is harder to fix quickly. When a ship strands, it cannot move on its own without help. It often causes more damage to the hull and can lead to leaks or flooding. Stranding can also cause pollution if fuel or cargo spills into the water. The main difference is intent and duration. Grounding can be accidental or intentional and might be brief. Stranding is almost always accidental and involves the ship being stuck for a significant period. Grounding might be a minor incident, while stranding often results in serious damage and environmental risks. Another point is the impact on the ship. A grounded vessel might be able to be refloated and repaired easily, but a stranded ship usually suffers more damage, making repairs costly and time-consuming. Stranding also has bigger legal and insurance consequences because it's seen as a more severe accident. In the world of maritime accidents, both grounding and stranding are dangerous. They can cause loss of cargo, damage to the ship, environmental pollution, and even loss of life. Causes include human error, bad weather, navigational errors, or poor maintenance. Preventing these accidents involves careful navigation, good charts, and following safety rules. To sum up, grounding is when a ship hits the bottom, whether by accident or on purpose, and might be able to continue its voyage. Stranding is when a ship gets stuck and can't move without help, often leading to more damage and hazards. Both are serious, but stranding usually signals a bigger problem.